Welcome to Home Tools Idea. Click subscribe and press the bell icon to get updates. Dear friends, are you looking for LEM meat grinder? Now we will see best 5 LEM meat grinder from Amazon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click in the bell icon. LEM 1224 Countertop Grinder. Total review of this meat grinder is 111 and people rate 4.4 out of 5. Specifications: powerful motor, heavy-duty construction, the faster and easier grinding process. Comes with accessories kits. LEM 1158 Electric Meat Grinder. Total review of this meat grinder is 257 and people rate 4.7 out of 5. Specifications: weight capacity 3 pounds, aluminum motor housing, sturdy aluminum head, durable metal gear. Please like, comment and subscribe. LEM W779A Electric Meat Grinder. Total review of this meat grinder is 347 and people rate 4.7 out of 5. Specifications: made of advanced stainless steel parts. High-speed and efficient meat grinder. The powerful motor helps to grind faster. Heavy-duty handling process. LEM W780A Electric Meat Grinder. Total review of this meat grinder is 347 and people rate 4.7 out of 5. Specifications: offset and a large throat. Weight capacity 47 pounds. Grind large meat and grind faster. Additional storage drawer. LEM 1733 Meat Grinder. Total review of this meat grinder is 8 and people rate 5 out of 5. Specifications: stainless steel construction, durable, clear acrylic cover. Weight capacity 25 pounds. Rust-resistant hopper. Check the description box for more information about the product. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button for more.